Hi, I'm Amy from Doodle Dog Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cornstalk wreath. Let's get started. To make the cornstalk wreath, you're going to need a floral wire wreath. This one is 16 inches. You're going to need some wire and wire cutters and some pliers. And you also need some garden trimmers and some corn stalks. If you don't have a garden with corn stalks in it, you could go to your local farmer's market and contact some produce sellers there and see if they have any corn stalks that they would be willing to share with you. Start by taking the wire and wrapping it around one of the inside wires on your wreath. And then make a bundle of corn stalk parts. I've got some leaves here and some of the tops from the corn, and just bundle a bunch together until it's the right thickness that you want for your wreath. And then we're going to place it on the top of the wreath here and wire it on. You want to make sure your wire is tight when you're wrapping it around, and I'm going around the entire wreath, the entire wire wreath here, and around all of the stalks. And then once you get that on good and tight, make another bundle and just bring it down a little bit further onto your wreath and wire it on. Then make another bundle and just keep making bundles and bringing them down a little bit further on your wreath and wiring it on. As you're adding more corn stalks, you want to have some of them going in and some of them pointing more out, so you have a fuller wreath. And I am going out more often than I'm going in, just so it doesn't get too full in the middle. As you're choosing the leaves to use, make sure that none of them are moldy or mildewy. As you're wiring this on, be sure to pull the wire very tight, because the corn stalks will shrink as they dry more. When you get back to where you started, you just want to keep adding until you fill in this hole here, so you don't have a gap in the wreath. So I'm going to stuff this last bundle kind of underneath the first bundle and then wire it down. Cut the wire off. And so wrap it around and wrap it underneath one of the wraps and pull it tight. And then try to wrap the end under one of the other wires. Fluff up the hole there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Bye.